This is the blessing of COVID-19 that you are talking to me directly. I am talking to the Amla in Ghana. So in this way, you can also explore some new avenues. How can you reach to the people? You should make a proper plan. Despite this COVID-19, how can we reach to the people? And how can we do tabligh? What are the new ways we should explore? So this is you have a fertile brain, mashallah, so you can do what if you wish. Okay? So you should make a plan. If direct gathering is not possible, at least on individual basis, you can stimulate your members. Da'inane lillah. So go outside and do tabligh on individual basis.